Zeo Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hi, I am Aniket Jadhav and Shubham Dere, Akash Lilimkar and Ampar Dhanve are my team members. Our project is based on Certificate Builder, which is done under the guidance of Professor Mahesh Kokarkar. So let's get started with our project. So basically it is an application which can build certificates on large scale in no time. It is an simple to use application. Here certificate is generated in two formats. One is JPG and other one is PDF, and also we can print certificate directly from our application.
Class diagram. In class diagram we have explaining that first thing is that first block explain that details manually entering data, that we have to give data like first name, middle name and surname of participant, and then competition, for what competition he participated and why we have competition we are giving that certificate. Then next is organizer, who organized that organizer name, then the date of that competition or training like, and then authority signature for authentication of that certificate. Then type of certificate, what type of certificate you need to save. To save PDF, then we have to select PDF. Then if we have to save JPG, then we have to select JPG like. After clicking on next button, where the certificate will be fully ready, then we have to select location where we have to save that certificate. Then we can save or directly we can print also. And then another next is we can take if we have multiple data and more than 10, more than 100, more than 1000 like. So if we have that data in Excel, and now in current era, in current some organizing competitions online, and the application of that competition is filling throughout Google Form, and Google Form filling data in store data, we can download that data in Excel sheet also. So our application we have take that Excel sheet and get data from that Excel sheet so we can build throughout that multiple certificates like we have columns different in Excel sheet. Then according to each and every field we have to select particular column or particular field. This is we have to select very sincerely. If we select a wrong column, then might be that certificate goes wrong printed or wrong saved. So we have to very sincerely do that or very carefully. And after binding, we have to save that certificate in particular location, so here we can remember that location, and from here we can share to any other. For requirement, our requirement is that hardware requirement, there are some processor require maximum we can it can start on i3, i5, i7. It's not mandatory for processor. Then hard disk require maximum 160 GB is sufficient, minimum 150 MB is also sufficient. For RAM of our project is minimum 180 MB, it's sufficient. And to view better UI, we have to must install Windows, latest Windows or more than 7. We have to run, if we have to run that setup very properly, it's must to install JDK and Excel as well. Now here if we start application, then we have to select how many certificates we have to print or save. If it's single certificate and we have to enter data through manually, then we have to select single certificate. Like on the after selecting single certificate, we have to give data like participant name, organization name, competition name, authority signature also as well. And after that giving data, filling that fields, we have to select a type of certificate. We have to means that if you have, it's more better or secure is that PDF. So mostly some also saving, some require some JPG as well. So we provided both options. And if we have more data, like huge amount of data, then we have to select multiple certificates we have to buy. Then we have to save data, or we have to copy that data, or we have to must in that data should be in Excel sheet. So we can take that Excel sheet also. And after selecting multiple certificates, then we have to first select Excel sheet. According to that Excel sheets column and our applications field, we have to select columns throughout that drop down. Then select next button after selecting certificate format. That print that multiple certificate particular location that you have selected during saving time. So that thing saving too much time. If we have to while 10 certificate, then it's take minimum 1 hour. In our application it takes maximum 5 minutes only. So that it's also very useful application. To while that application we have used some library, or the main library is Py library, Py. There are different also in Py, like we have for reading Excel data and binding PDFs and taking saving some JPG files. There are some different under Py libraries comes. That is also very useful. The advantage of our project is it's very less time consuming. It's take very less time it takes. And we can save certificate in PDF as well. So PDF is very secure, as we all know. The application of our project is that we can use it in industry or training center. Also we can use it in college also, and also in university to while different certificate. All those centers who providing some certificates to some participants. That's the output of our project. We have bilateral certificate from this application. Thank you all. Thank you to my guide also.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.